Okay, so this week, most of your assignments are on Clever. The only thing you're going to go to Teams for is to meet with me during our live lessons or when you're meeting with Coach Hatfield or Miss Loophole. So all of your assignments and graded work, because we're taking grades starting this week, are going to be on Clever. So you need to go to lpisd.org. It's very important that you access Clever through laporteisd.org. You're going to click on Students. You're going to come down and you're going to click Clever. And then you're going to log in. And I'm going to log in as a student so that you can see what it will look like. Because if I log in as myself, it won't look like what y'all see. Okay, so when you get into Clever, you will not have all of the apps unless you click my page. So make sure that you click Emily Balderas' page. Okay, so once you get in on my page, this is everything you need. So when you look at your lesson plan, which looks like this, the first thing you're going to do is after we meet on Teams, and if you're not able to, it's okay because your work will be on HMH. So after we meet on Teams and we read the story, you're going to go to HMH, which is right here. HMH, you're going to click on HMH. You're going to log in. Okay, and then you're going to click on Assignments. All right, so these are still her assignments from kindergarten. I'm not sure how to delete those. But it doesn't show the first grade assignments yet because today is Sunday and they won't start popping up until the day that they are supposed to be done. So when you get in, you click assignments. It's still the same thing. And if you see assignments from May, in April, those are assignments from kindergarten. So don't worry about those. Just do the assignments that are in the lesson plans and that show the due dates for this week. Okay, for math, so on the lesson plan, for math, after you join us for calendar time on Teams, then you're going to log back into Clever and you're going to click Study Island or iExcel. Some days it's Study Island, some days it's iExcel. So right here is Study Island. It automatically logs them in. There's not a password. And then here's iExcel. So when you click on Study Island, okay, it automatically logs her in, and it does already show the assignment that she needs to complete on Monday for a grade. So, active assignments is where you will see your assignments. Okay, for iExcel, you do have to log in, and it's not the same password as all your other stuff. Remember, it's the first letter and then your last name. And that's on that login page that I sent y'all last week with all the logins. There we go. Okay. So she can either click right here where it says 3 skills suggested by your teacher. Those are the ones I starred. Or she can go to learning, math, and then make sure she's on first grade. And then she can come down and also find the ones that I have starred. So that's math. And then when it's time for social studies and science, we're going to access that through Studies Weekly and STEM Scopes. So for social studies, on Tuesday, when it says to come on to Studies Weekly, she'll click on Studies Weekly and it automatically logs them in. They're clever. She's going to click on first grade, and then it has week 1. So before she can click take test, she has to read the week 1. So make sure that they read the newspaper before they take the test, because the questions are about the newspaper. Okay, and then science, you're going to click on science, STEM Scopes, and they'll log in. Last name, period, first name, LP, and their lunch number. And that's also on that page I sent y'all last week. Okay, so it's on assignments, and she doesn't have any assignments yet because it pops up on the days that she's supposed to do them. But when you get in here, just make sure that you click on the assignments tab, and all of the assignments will show up that she will need to do for that day. Okay, and then during independent reading time, or during that, there's a time on the lesson plan where it shows that they can catch up on their work and do independent reading right here, 12 to 1:20 each day. Catch up on assignments, or log into Clever and click on Epic and read for 30 minutes. And then up here, they're supposed to be doing reading eggs. So those apps are down here. Reading eggs, it automatically logs them in. Epic, you just have to type in the class code. And on my last Clever video, I showed y'all how to navigate Epic. So if you need help with that, look at the last Clever video I did. So that's pretty much how they're going to complete their classwork this week. If you have any questions, please send me an email or a message on Remind, and I will be happy to help you.